Hello everyone, today we're going to challenge Duolingo chess one more time. Let's start. Okay, now let's start. I could do this, a match with Oscar or a match with a person. I'll choose a match with Oscar. Triple XP for 10 minutes.
May the best player in a pink shirt win.
What? Not in a pink shirt.
You won't even miss it.
It's just for fun.
Poor little fella.
Not to
Don't
win
mind if I
for
do.
me. Own. It's my chance to catch his queen. Oh no, that's way hard.
Mother's
Yes.
not going to like that.
How'd I just do that?
Oh, you really got me there.
What? That's easy.
All right, confidence.
Confidence. Oh no, not that.
Pawn, yawn.
This is here. This.
Not bad.
This. I think no one can catch me from here, so I could do...
You just had to make it queen, didn't you? This is fine.
I'm so lucky.
I'll take those points.
Oh.
Deep breaths,
Oh,
Oscar.
yes. Nope.
Yes, queen. Must you ruin all my plans?
I lost my queen, but I still
I'll
have
miss that
another
one.
That means I
Pawn,
don't have to worry.
yawn.
What? Those are so...
Goodbye, noble steed.
What does noble steed mean? Actually, what is a noble steed?
What a nightmare.
He does funny moves.
Guess I won't be promoting that pawn.
Whoa, now you just have to drag
Nice
my
check.
rook up.
I
Yes!
demand a rematch.
I just won already. Celebrate. Don't be shy. Enjoy your moment of glory.
Nothing is stronger than family. With Super
Duolingo
Family Plan, you can include your
Please
chosen family.
delete it.
And you can add 5 people to your crew. See you in the fast lane, fam. Start your family plan today.
Okay. Oh, my strike is 54. You kept a perfect strike for 7 weeks in a row. That's more than a month. French strike with Lucia Chacha. What? It's 52. I'm handling these matches. Oh, 7 minutes left. Not much. Completes 3 lessons. This one is here.
Amaze me, if you can.
Amaze you? Why would I amaze you?
Some pawns aren't built to last. Nice exchange.
What? At least his queen just...
Check, please.
It's my chance to catch.
Don't sweat it.
What?
The rain has ended.
I just finally got his queen.
I meant for that to happen. Another one bites the dust. Nice check.
Oh. What is wrong with...
Check.
What?
Bye-bye.
I made
Not
a
bad.
check for him. Now he made a check for me.
Check, please.
Oh, come on. He's so good. Why? How would he...
And mine. My rook hath been took. My apologies to your king.
What? That wasn't nice.
I'm questioning all my choices.
You're questioning all each one.
Well, here goes.
What is that?
Check, please.
Oh no. What?
My rook hath been took. Giddy up.
What? Oh no. That's
Check me.
big. That is.
But why? Ah, check. I see all your
Yes!
practice is paying off.
I just won! Victory. See, Oscar? Your lessons are amazing. What? 120 XP?
With the super family
That
plan,
was a
it doesn't
lot.
have to be literal family. So I added my best
Okay,
friend
now.
Lily. It's perfect.
Now, super.
Can we go to sleep now?
Please get
I'm just too excited. Start your family.
Complete 3 lessons. Spend 15 minutes learning. Do 3 math or music lessons. I want to do any math or music lessons right now. Get 15 minutes refill to keep eating complex.
Nervous? You should be.
What? I'm never nervous, and you know that.
Guess I won't be promoting that pawn. Some pawns aren't built to last. Bad pawn. Bad pawn.
Yes, I just got
I'm
it.
questioning all my choices.
What? What does that mean? Unquestioned?
I hope this works.
You know.
Poor little fella. I'll be taking that pony.
Oh no! My
Deep
loser.
breaths, Oscar.
Great.
How the mighty have fallen.
Oh no! What is wrong with me?
But why?
Bad.
Some pawns aren't built to last.
Yeah.
Oscar, stop blundering your pieces. I eat pawns for breakfast. You monster. It had a... My rook hath been took. See ya, little guy. Bold move. I approve. Just cleaning up.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Fine, but I refuse to call her Your Majesty.
I have to hurry. My triple XP might be running out.
Nice check.
What?
Ah, check.
What is wrong with me?
Nice check.
Well, just look at.
Checked me. How could you? I'll miss that one. Checked me. Ah, check.
Yes, I
Um,
just won. Oh, that's long. Okay, guys, I hope you know how I won all the challenges with Oscar and Duolingo. Hope you liked it. Bye bye.